Hello guys, I welcome you all in my amazing channel, and here I will tell you 5 mind-blowing amazing facts. Let us start. Fact number 1. There are two places in the world where you cannot buy Coca-Cola. They are North Korea and Cuba. No matter where you go, it's comforting to know you can always enjoy a Coca-Cola. Well, almost anywhere. While this fizzy drink is sold practically everywhere, it still hasn't made its way to North Korea or Cuba. According to the BBC, that's because these countries are under long-term US trade embargoes. Fact number 2. The entire world's population could fit inside Los Angeles. The world's population is more than 7.5 billion, and obviously that number sounds huge. However, it might feel a little more manageable once you learn that if every single one of those people stood shoulder to shoulder, they could all fit within the 500 square miles of Los Angeles, according to National Geographic. Fact number 3. There are more twins now than ever before. You might think twins are a rarity, but they are actually becoming more common than ever. From about 1915, when the statistical records began, until 1980, about 1 in every 50 babies born was a twin, a rate of 2%, as per Alexis C. Madrigal of The Atlantic. Then the rate began to increase, and by 1995 it was 2.5%, and up till 2010 it became about 3%, and that means 1 out of every 30 babies born is a twin. Scientists believe that this trend is due to the fact that older women tend to have more twins, and women are choosing to start families later. Fertility treatment such as in vitro fertilization likely to also play a role. Fact number 4. The hottest chili pepper in the world, so hot it will kill you. The weapons grade Dragon's Breath chili pepper is so hot it's downright deadly. If you ate one, it could potentially cause a type of anaphylactic shock, burning the airways and closing them up. As per Mike Smith, who tried it on the tip of his tongue, it just burned and burned. The hobby grower Mike Smith, who invented the Dragon's Breath along with scientists from Nottingham University. As it turns out, this chili was initially developed to be used in medical treatment as an anesthetic to numb the skin. Fact number 5. More people visit France than any other country. France is a beautiful country filled to the brim with delicious wines, scrumptious cheese, and tons of romance. So it's no surprise that more people want to visit France than any other country in the world, according to United Nations World Tourism Organization. In 2017, this European country welcomed 86.9 million people. Spain was the second most popular destination with 81.8 million visitors, followed by United States, China, and Italy. So guys, I hope you like these videos. Do press the bell icon and please share and subscribe the amazing channel.